Welcome to FoxLearn. In this video, I'll show you how to implement the user registration page in ASP.NET MVC. You need to open your Account View Models class, then add a username property to the Register View Model class. Next, open your account controller, then modify your register action to allow you to store username. Next, right-click on your shared folder, then create a registered partial view. A partial view is a reusable portion of a web page. It's a special view which renders a portion of view content. It is just like a user control of a web form application. You need to add your register view model to the register partial view, then modify your layout allowing you to create accounts. Next, open your login view, then copy your register form into the registered partial view. And don't forget to add your controller name and action name to the register partial view. Finally, you can replace the HTML form with the ASP.NET MVC form, or you can use HTML tag, but you need to set the name for the HTML tag to match the data fields in your model. As you can see, the login view is used for both login and account creation. I'll replace the registration form with a partial view. Oh, the error is I forgot to remove the email address property. You should delete it if you haven't already. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.